Good morning, this is Mind PHP. Today I'm going to show you on how to install Joomla on your computer. So first, we will go to our Joomla website, joomla.org, and then click the download. If you see the download button, click it. And after that, you will get the latest package of Joomla, which is 3.3.6. So Joomla 3.3. Click download, and now it's downloading. We will go to the download folder. We will copy this one and go to our SAMP htdocs, and then we will create a new folder named Joomla tutorial. So paste it here and then unpack. So extract here. So just wait for a minute because it's an unpacking. So after that, we will delete the zip and we will go to our database, which is localhost php/php, and we will create a new table, a new database named Joomla tutorial. So now we have a new database named Joomla tutorial. So open another tab on the browser and type localhost slash the name of our folder on the SAMP htdocs, Joomla tutorial. So select a language you want, your language. I'll choose English. Then your site name. On our site name, this is Joomla tutorial. And this one is your admin email. So for example, this is the email admin gmail, and the username is admin, and the password is password. It's up to you what we will put. So click next, and now we will put the name or the username of our database. For me, it is root, and there is no password of my database. So the database name is Joomla tutorial. And click next. So it's up to you if you will put it sample data like blog English, brochure English, default English, learn Joomla English, test English. It means that if you install, there's already a sample data, but for me, I'll choose none. So click install, and now it is installing. Just wait for a minute. And now we already installed a new Joomla on our local host. So click remove installation folder. And now it is successfully removed. If you want to go to the site, click site, or if you want to go to administrator, just type localhost, the name of our folder, or the name of your folder, which mine is Joomla tutorial, and administrator. So that's it. We already installed the new Joomla on the local host. That's all.